Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Please join me to make this beautiful flower runner that I made for my church. Alright guys, it is very simple. I'm just going to show you the things that I did to accomplish this flower runner, or to achieve this flower runner, excuse me. And I went to the store, of course the Dollar Tree, and I bought this pool noodles, which I tied them together. So I attached 3 pool noodles together with some zip ties, and then I started by adding my greeneries, as you can see me doing. This was very late at night and I was just like, let's record it. So after adding my greeneries, I went in to add in my base flowers, which were the white roses. Yeah, I had different types of white roses that I just added to my greeneries, so that I could, get my my structure going. And I had 3 colors. So I had the white roses, I had some blue roses, and then I had some purple. I don't know what kind of flowers those are. I'm sorry, I'm not so good with flowers. So I had some flowers, some other purple flowers that looked much more like hydrangeas, but they're not hydrangeas, okay? They are, I don't know the name, but you are going to see. Just keep watching and enjoying how I did this. So I'm not condemning my flowers to the pool noodles, because I want to be able to take them out and use them for other purposes, right? So at this point, after adding in my white roses, I went in with my blue roses. You can find these flowers on Amazon. Even the greeneries, you can find the greeneries on Amazon as well. I'm going to try as possible my possible best, okay, to link some of the flowers in the description section of this video. So please check it out if you are interested and you want to try something like this. I'm all about teaching you to do it yourself, so that you can save some money. No matter where you are, you can do it yourself, okay? So I choose these colors because I had earlier decorated my church, or our church. I had earlier decorated our church blue and white. So I just wanted something that was going to blend really well with those colors. So I went to my my local flower store. So these are all artificial flowers or silk flowers that I'm using. So I went to my local flower store and I got these from the store. And I was lucky enough to find something that really matches my decor. At this point I was tired, guys. I was getting tired. Look at that. I am so happy working with flowers, because look, if there's anything that makes me happy, flowers. When I'm working with flowers, I just forget my problems, forget my troubles, and I play with them. I just enjoy working with flowers. Some people even call me Mommy Flower. So if you call me Mommy Flower, you're welcome. Okay, so I've added my purple flowers. Do you know the name of these flowers, the purple ones? Please let me know in the comment section, because I don't know how they are called. I just wanted something that was going to blend with my decor, so I didn't bother checking the name. All right, so I'm just going to evenly distribute them, and until I'm satisfied, I'll just play around with them, and you'll see me going back and forth, because I want to be able to see very well. I'm looking through the camera and I'm looking forward to the flowers to make sure that everything is evenly distributed until I'm satisfied. Again, oh, I forgot to tell you about these other flowers. Again, I don't know the name of these blue flowers that I'm adding now, the smaller ones that are longer. I also bought those ones. Oh my god, they give so much texture to this flower runner. I'm telling you guys, without these ones, the flower will not have exactly what you want. So these ones, yes, these ones, they make it look so beautiful. Like I'm not even lying. The video is not really giving you what I'm what I'm saying physically, like looking at them. Once I added these ones, my God, it took the flower runner to another level. It took it to another level. So what you want to do, what I learned from this DIY was that, or is that, when you're making your flowers, right, you want to use different colors, different, not really different colors, but different sizes of flowers, different texture, different, you know, just different sizes and different shapes, so that you can have that natural look. You know, I wish I could explain better, but yes, guys, make sure that you're adding texture to it, so that it is going to be so beautiful that one will not just be focusing on one color, like one, not one color, but like one style, one shape, one size. You know, add some texture to your flower to make it beautiful. That is what I learned from this very DIY. Okay, so now everything is coming together. You're about to see the final look. You're about to see the final look, the final results of the entire thing. And then I'm going to take you to my church to show you what it looks like on the stage, because I was doing that for the stage. Voila, we are done. Guys, look at that. It looks amazing. Okay, but remember, by the time I transported it, I still had some more work to do, because it got messed up. So I had to build it again. But it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad by the time I just touched it a little bit. So I did 2 of them. And let us see the final look, what it looks like on our stage. It looks beautiful. There you go, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. I'm so happy with the results and everybody loved it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.